fine. I couldn't put a team to come through. Very, very thankful for those who did make it. Kerala and Maharashtra, you guys are look great for the future. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, you guys have great depth. Thank you so much for putting this together, for your leadership, to be able to put together two squads and to help the tournament grow is something that we need to come from the community, and thank you for doing that. Yeah, this is, I mean, in terms of numbers, we are double the number of players from last year. So that's a win, I guess, at Bharat Trophy. I want to take this opportunity first to thank a few people. We have been trying a few things from the tech side at India Ultimate, and something that we have done this year is to, in the last 1 year, is to have top assist, scorer and best defender happen. This is something that we first experimented at the last Bharat Trophy, but we couldn't pull it off because tech wasn't ready yet. Then we got the tech ready, but the people weren't ready yet. We didn't have enough volunteers to be able to pull this off. This year, fortunately at this Bharat Trophy, we got a good set of volunteers due to whom we've been able to pull this off and finally have individual awards at this tournament as well. I want to give a shout out to these volunteers. I want them to come in front so that we can recognize them. Pavitra, Kajal, Trisha, Maria, Karthik, Devna, Srishti. Volunteers, come in front.
Good everyone.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. Thank you guys.
A quick shout out to a lot of others who helped this tournament happen. To Prasanna from L2F, Venki from Phoenix, Rohan from Phoenix, Arun from Phoenix, Unni from ABC, Deepa from Kokachis, Gangs from Phoenix, Aishu from Kupa and ABC. And thanks for reaching out to our call for commentary. Thanks Rikesh, did multiple games for us. Sri for commentary, Venki, Nanda, Ashray, last minute addition. I don't know if you're still here. Thank you. We also have Naveen from ABC, Naveen from Sual, Krishna from Tix, and Radhakrishnan. Thank you so much for helping us.
Let's go, Radha!
Quick shout out to our partners, Sporthood, for being our venue partners and helping us. This tournament had a good chance of getting washed out like RCB's game last night, but thankfully some quick decisions from India Ultimate also to be able to pull this off and eventually have a good result and a fair game and safe for the players as well, right? Thanks Sporthood for accommodating our request for turf when the grass fields got flooded. Thank you to Usha Play, our disc partners continue to help us. Even though it might look like we don't like the discs and we might kick them, but we really appreciate you for giving us really good and brand new discs for these tournaments. And thank you Atra for helping us once again, being our Atra's been with us for the last 1 year, and by now I think all of you all would know them on first name basis. Thank you. Alright, yeah. Quick shout out to Jitesh as well, our spirit director. Not an easy job to get everyone to fill up the spirit scores in time for the presentation ceremony, but we have all the spirit scores in that we'll be able to award everyone at the ceremony itself. A quick update that we weren't able to give out earlier is for the spirit awards, we'll be giving it only to the champion and not for runners-up and second runners-up. This is something that BISDIF does, and it's something that we are trying to move towards too, because spirit is, I mean, it's not a competition, it's about valuing yourself, promoting yourself up, and we're just going to give it to the winners of spirit. Okay? Cool. That being said, we'll start off with the presentation ceremony, starting off with the women's division first. Right. In third place, we've got Karnataka B. You all could come like this. Yeah.
Let's go, Macho! Hey, coach.
We have to go.
Vamshi. Second place to Tamil Nadu. I'd like to welcome Vishnu Box to hand over for the champions, Karnataka. to Kerala.
Let's go team!
Alright, moving over to the opens division. We've got head coach Smithy and Igor. For third place, we've got Karnataka.
मैंने बोला आपको ये कोई नहीं हिक्की हिक्की Vlogging the camera. Varun, get Ready? Look here.
to hand over to the champions of Big C, here to help us award the Women's Division champions holding their seed, Tamil Nadu A.
எங்க அம்மா என்ன கேட்க போறாங்க Bro, look ready, bro, back பண்ணு
I request Coach Udaya Box to join us to present the Spirit Champions. We had a tie for the Spirit score, but as per our rules, it goes to the team that is ranked higher at the end of the tournament. And the Spirit Champions, the Open Division, is Karnataka A.
मैंने बोला ये
We still have some more awards to give away. Before we go into that, I want to mention the tie in the spirit division for Opens was between Kerala and Karnataka. A big shout out to Kerala for showing high spirit in both divisions. Right, continuing on to the individual awards. In the Opens division, the scoring champion goes to Vignesh from Karnataka B. Assist champion in the Opens division goes to Pranav, again from Karnataka B. For the best defender in the Opens division goes to Prasanna from Karnataka A. The scoring champion for the women's division goes to Shul from Karnataka. The assist champion in the women's division goes to Anna from Karnataka. Women's division goes to Nivedita from Kerala. On her behalf.
Let's go, Nivedita! Let's go!
Right. Thank you so much everyone for showing up, playing your hearts out. I'm happy that all of you are safe despite the weekend that we had. We were able to pull off a great tournament in my own opinion. But please do share your feedback and thoughts to India Ultimate. We'll try and improve from here, and we want to take this tournament and make it bigger and bigger every year. Looking forward to your continued support to do so.
Thank you.
India Ultimate! 3 big cheers to the organizers! Hooray! 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 عليها نجران لا